How to filter a number py array using another array's values. I have two number py arrays, e.g., and a filter array, e.g. How can I get a new number py array with only the values in a where the same index in f is true? In my case, 2, 5, according to the accepted solution with different values.
Numpy supports Boolean indexing. This assumes that A and F are number py arrays rather than Python lists, as in the question. You can convert with f equals np.array f.
If you don't already need number py arrays, here's with a plain list. For pre 2.7 versions of Python, you must roll your own C manual.